Guys, this is Brian back with a Kaspa Kas token update. We had another big jump there within the last 24 hours. Geez, when I woke up this morning, this thing was up, boy, I don't know, 15% or something. Let's get a measurement on that actually and take a look, you know, from here to there. Yeah, it was up 16.5%. You know, that's another big jump for a day. So this thing, we're going to get a deeper look into this and see what could be going on in the short term and see what to expect the rest of the day here shortly. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you here. This is a new token I'm going to start covering, and so let's get into it, guys. First off, I want to show you the top 100. This is the top 100 coins for the day. You can see another slight pullback. It looks like Bitcoin is doing an ABC correction right now. So the 4-hour RSI on it has some down room left, and looks like it might come down a little bit today. And just a corrective move in the market for it. Nothing major. Here's your crypto fear and greed index. The market cap is down 0.28%. In fact, let's reload this real quick and make sure this is up to the minute. I like it up to the minute when I'm doing my videos. Yeah, here we go. The market cap is down 0.66%. The volume is down 10.1% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is down 0.11%. And we are still at a 63. We were at a 61 yesterday, up 2 notches. I thought we were at a 63 yesterday also. I could be wrong, but we'll let that go at that. Here's your top winners and losers for the day. You can see Solar's up top there, 12.6%. Not even sure what that token is. Now, I don't know what these biggest gainers and biggest losers, if this is the top 100 or top 200. You know, you got Aptos. I haven't heard of that. Rocket Pool. I have heard of that. But, yeah, you know, your normal coins like Dogecoin, Decentraland, XRP, Hedera, Synthetics, PancakeSwap, Quant. I've heard of all them, but a few in there I haven't heard of. Your trenders are on the left, and let's dig into this chart here, guys. First of all, you can see this rise we made here, okay? Let's put a Fibonacci on from this last move and see where this, okay. This thing came up and hit that 1.236 on the dot. Okay, the first extension. All right, let's pull the RSIs up here on the bottom, and you can see that 4-hour RSI is curving down, but it's starting to curve back up a little bit. Let's look at the 1. The 1 is almost at the bottom. You know, not financial advice. This thing could have another move in it today. Let's look at the daily. The daily's at the top, but it's been up there for a while. This thing's just been ripping. The 8-hour still has some room up, and the 12 is on its way down. So could have a correction here. It's hard to say. This thing has just been ripping. The volume, you know, volume's starting to slow down, I guess, a little bit down here, but compared to back there, you know, you had this massive volume spike right here. And boy, if you got in at the, you know, at the beginning of this coin, you're sitting in some really nice shape. I mean, let's see where this thing has come up from. You know, if we take it from back here, well, let's put it on the daily and see what kind of percentages you'd be looking at right now. You know, right from the low. Say you got in at the absolute bottom to the top of this thing. You know, wow. Looking at a 31x, you know, not too bad. That's crypto for you. That's why I love it so much. It's definitely exciting and addicting as all heck, you know. So let's dig in a little bit closer on this here. We have major resistance that we smacked into right at 0.041967. You can see we came up out of this move right here, that big green candle. And like I said the other day, guys, not financial advice, friendly advice. Friend to friend, you know, look at it like that. Don't buy big green candles, okay? You had this thing shoot way up, and if you would have bought way up there, wait for a pullback, okay? This was former resistance here, that red. We're going to change that to yellow because it should be support now. And let's move that down to a 1. There we go. That was resistance. We came up and smashed into it over here, okay? That big green candle that was right there. Then we pulled back and retested this former resistance here, okay? Consolidated, shot up. Green candle here, came back, retested, consolidated, shot up. You know, you don't want to buy these big green candles. Came back, retested, and it's consolidating a little bit. We've been consolidating 4, 8, 12, 16 hours now. So, could this thing make another move? Yeah, it absolutely could. Could it consolidate here for a little bit? It could also do that too, okay? If we look at this on a... let me see here if we can count out any waves in this thing. Let's put this down here and check this out, okay? We went to 3, 4, 5. That could be the 5th wave up, and we could have a correction coming up. Or if this thing does bust out, you know, I'm just giving you options here of possibilities. You know, you'd be looking at this next price zone, you know, right up here somewhere, you know, right up in this area. You know, that would be the 1.618 extension. You know, it could consolidate for a little bit, have a correction in here, and then shoot up for that. You know, it's gonna have to have more volume coming in here, though. You got some sellers coming in the market here. You can see the red down here at the bottom, so got a few sellers coming in. The guys know, you know, you get that big green candle, then you know, your big guys, they'll sell right there, then they'll buy back when it comes back down here. You know, it'll run up, they'll sell, buy back when it comes back down. You know, that's how they play this game, and it you know, I shouldn't call it a game, but that's how why they're such good investors. You know, they make money off moves like that, especially the big moves. But yeah, I know it's exciting and everything when we get these big green candles. It really is. You think you're going to miss the boat, but I promise you it will pull back and retest. It will do that. So if you haven't, guys, please hit the subscribe button. If we get a move out of this thing today and it starts moving again, I'll put another video out today. But if not, I'll be back tomorrow with this. And please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. Did our first giveaway the other day, 100 ADA, and we're going to do another one at the end of the month. And all you have to do is be a subscriber. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I just put a video out about Bitcoin. What if you bought Bitcoin in 2010 and you put $100 into it? It's a pretty interesting video. If that don't get you excited about investing in crypto, you know, or looking at the advantages and opportunities in crypto, it'll get you fired up. So thanks a lot. Have a great day.